Hello everyone, so today I'm sharing a fun little folio project that I've put together. I watched a video by Heather from Rosehill Cottage who was following, she's a design team member for Ruby and Pearl, and she was following one of Heather from Ruby and Pearl's channel on a folio, and I tried to copy, I suppose, their versions of this, shabby versions. These were what I came up with. I couldn't get them to look right. This one probably is better, and I probably could have made that work with the pockets inside, but this shabby style, much as I absolutely love it, I love both those designers. I love Luna Rosu and lots of, crafty paper bits, lots of those, but I can't do it. So I did my version, which is considerably different, but along the same principles. So I'm going to share them with you at the moment. So I did this this is the back. So I've got a tag on the back as well. The tie, I did take from Rosehill Cottage video. I quite like the little loop thing, but anyway, so this is a front flap, and there's an envelope in there that opens with in this case, a little faux cabinet card, and then it opens into a three-way. So my idea was to try and make each section look nice, really. So in this front pocket, I've got a vintage computer card, because I did that a little bit wrong, but there we go, that should fit in there. A card, these are all digitals from Ruby and Pearl, and it's called, what's it called? I think this is the one that's called Mademoiselle Vintage. I might be wrong, so if I'm wrong, I'll pop it underneath. How annoying. A little vintage photograph, and then I used one of the images from the kit to make a faux postcard, and I got both of these folios out of the same kit. So quite good value there, I thought. In this pocket, I've got a book page, another image from the kit into a sort of little journal card, and I'm lucky enough to have some of these library cards, so I've got that. In this pocket, again, the pockets are made from digitals from the kit. I've also lined it with a digital from the kit, which I've printed onto layout paper, really thin paper. If you follow me, in a couple of videos time, I will do a tutorial showing you how I put these together. So again, images from the kits, and another little photograph. I think that's a copy of a photograph. And then on the back, I've done one of these slim tags that I like to make, again using images from the kit. So that's that one. I rounded the corners on this one, which I wished I hadn't. So this one, slightly different. Again, I've done the loop. Got this sari silk here. Just beautiful images from Ruby and Pearl. That's the inside piece. This again is from the kit. I've actually put that onto a real postcard with a very uninteresting front. Little photograph here. Again, I've used the computer card and an image from the kit, papers from the kit, a few book pages as well, popped on here and there. Got another vintage book page in this pocket, a journal card. This is not from the kit, this is a Ruby and Pearl wallpaper. And again, a little library card. and these are from the kit. And I've added another vintage photograph in there. And then on our back here, just a long slim tag. So those are my, that's my take on those tutorials, which I will list underneath. And in the next video, I'll show you some that I've made using a different designer, different digitals.